If you've ever dealt with nicks, razor burn, or that awkward guessing game in hard-to-see areas, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the 7 best pubic hair trimmers for men that keep you neat, confident, and irritation-free. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Philips Norelco 5000. When your main goal is reducing irritation while still getting a close, tidy result, the best tools are the ones that protect skin without making you work too hard. This is where Philips focuses its design, aiming for comfort first and results second, which is exactly the right order for sensitive grooming. The Philips Norelco 5000 stands out because it gives you 2 ways to groom: a trimmer head for shaping and a shaver head for a smoother finish. That means you can keep things natural and controlled, or clean things up more closely depending on what feels best for you that day. Its skin comfort approach is all about avoiding harsh contact. Rounded blade tips and a protective system help reduce the chance of catching skin, which is the biggest fear most guys have when grooming below the waist. It also handles dense hair well, so you do not feel like you are fighting the trimmer. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Man Spot. If you want a close trim that still feels forgiving, you are probably looking for one thing above all: fewer accidents. This pick is aimed at guys who want a smoother finish with less fear of nicks, especially in delicate areas where you cannot afford a mistake. ManSpot is designed around a safety-first blade style and a motor that is meant to keep cutting consistent, so you are not forced to press harder when the hair is thick. That can be the difference between a calm grooming routine and an anxious one. What you will likely appreciate most is the way it encourages a slow, controlled approach. The design is meant to glide rather than grab, which helps reduce tugging, and it pairs well with basic good technique like keeping skin taut and moving steadily. It also includes multiple guard options, which makes it easier to match your comfort level. If you like a very close trim, there is a short guard choice, while longer settings are great for staying neat without going too short. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Gillette E7. This is the pick for guys who want better visibility, better control, and a routine that feels more precise without needing a complicated setup. The Gillette i7 includes an integrated light, which sounds small until you use it. It helps you see what you are doing in shadowy angles, so you can trim evenly and avoid repeatedly going over the same spot, which is a common cause of irritation. It is also designed to feel stable in the hand. The shorter handle and grip pads make it easier to maneuver, especially when you need awkward angles. That extra control helps you move more gently, which is exactly what sensitive grooming requires. The included comb options keep things simple. One is designed to reduce the risk of cuts while trimming, and the other is useful when you want a consistent, clean length without overthinking it. Travel features matter more than most people expect. The travel lock helps prevent surprise battery drain, so the trimmer is actually ready when you need it, not dead at the worst moment. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Philips Norelco One Blade. For guys who switch between trimming and shaving depending on the week, versatility is everything. You want one tool that can handle different lengths, clean up edges, and stay gentle on sensitive skin without forcing you to own a drawer full of devices. Philips builds the one-blade experience around a fast cutter that can tackle longer hair without pulling, while still being kind to skin. That matters because tugging is often what turns grooming into a painful chore. The big advantage here is the protective design. Rounded edges and a skin guard approach help reduce nicks and irritation, which is what most people care about more than absolute closeness. It is especially useful when you want a clean look while still playing it safe. The included body comb option helps when you want a quick, even trim rather than a super close shave. It is a practical way to maintain a comfortable length without creating that prickly feeling some guys hate after shaving too close. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Meridian. When you want a grooming routine that feels simple and predictable, the best trimmer is the one that does not make you think. This is a strong choice for guys who want consistent results across the body, including sensitive areas, without turning grooming into a whole event. Meridian uses a ceramic blade approach aimed at controlled trimming with less tugging. In everyday terms, it helps the trimmer feel smoother when moving through different hair types, whether your hair is coarse, curly, or fine. The adjustable guide combs make it easy to choose a length that looks neat but still feels comfortable. That is especially useful if you prefer a trimmed look instead of going super close, since slightly longer lengths can reduce irritation for a lot of people. It is also built for wet or dry use, which is a big quality of life feature. Some days you want the shower for easy cleanup, and other days you just want to do a fast touch-up at the sink and move on. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Olaf. If you have sensitive skin and you are tired of tugging, pulling, and that uncomfortable afterfeel, you probably want a trimmer that prioritizes gentleness above everything else. This pick is aimed at the guy who wants to stay clean and neat while keeping irritation as low as possible. Olaf uses ceramic blades designed to trim hair with a smoother feel, which can help reduce those sharp little surprises that make people swear off grooming tools. The goal is a confident routine where you do not feel like you are taking a risk every time you turn it on. It also includes adjustable guards, which is where comfort really comes from. Choosing the right length can prevent both nicks and post-trim itchiness, and it gives you control over how close you want to go without guessing. Waterproof use is another strong benefit. Grooming in the shower can make the whole process feel cleaner, and the water helps rinse away clippings as you go, which keeps the experience less messy and less annoying. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Max Groom. Max Groom includes multiple heads so you can match the tool to the task. There is a trimmer head designed for delicate areas, a foil head for a smoother finish, a beard-style option for general grooming, and even a detail head for quick cleanup work. That kind of flexibility makes it easier to stay consistently groomed because you are not improvising with the wrong attachment. Comfort is clearly a priority, with rounded tips and skin-friendly materials aimed at reducing irritation. In practice, it helps the trimmer glide more safely, which builds confidence and makes you less likely to rush or press too hard. The standout feature is the V-shaped head design, which helps reach narrow and awkward zones more easily. That is where a lot of trimmers struggle, and it is where most grooming mistakes happen. So this shape can genuinely make the experience simpler. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best pubic hair trimmers for men you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.